How much money you guys making right now? Are some of you in the best trades you've ever been in your life? Talk to me.
5-figure day, coach.
Thank you. Mark, 5-figure day. Mark, we've heard more success from you since you've been in the VIP.
VIP is the bomb.
Dude, I love it. Have you guys noticed that Mark has had all the success since the VIP, and he's been in our group a long time?
A bad habit. So after coming in with you guys, I slowed that down. I stopped all of that and just went with cash secure puts like we've been talking about for the last couple of weeks.
Yep.
Then build my account back up. So when I'm back into the PDT and I'm ready to go rock and roll, yeah, that really helps out a lot.
Oh, good. Glad to hear
So
it.
it's really important on those breathe backs. Yeah. No, can't stress it enough. Thank you.
My best week ever. The first full week of VIP. Best week ever.
4.6% on my total account yesterday using the new indicator we are back testing.
Oh, that's awesome. The Madman, go ahead.
I'm gonna make this quick. So, but I was like $170 something down, and with just being here a couple of days, now I've chipped that away. I'm 148 down from that loss. Thank you, coach. Thank you.
You're very
changed everything. Thank you. I don't know how to thank you. I really don't.
Just
God
show up
bless
every
you.
day. Just show up every day and get better. That's how you thank me.
Thank you.